Brand new bikini from Blooming Jelly. They just dropped their hottest, modest bikini in a stars and stripe version for the 4th of July. Absolute perfection. I feel like I don't have to say this. These are gonna sell so fast. This bikini is high-waisted. The bottoms are double lined with amazing tummy control. Plus they've got the mesh swim skirt overlay. You can adjust the skirt at the side and make it longer or shorter. It's the perfect way to add a little extra coverage. Plus it's like tummy control times 2. This bikini top is like a long line sports bra, only with a gorgeous deep V neckline, and it still keeps you fully covered. It's nice and thick in the back to keep you smooth. The straps are adjustable, no hooks. Fully lifted, there's stitching under the bust. You're not busting out the side, you're not busting out the front. Coming through with that mesh trim, so it's like full coverage sexy. The hottest way to have a little extra coverage with your bikini. Girls, if you want this one in time for 4th of July, I'm telling you run. I'm gonna link it below.
Large yung size ni Brown Sisi ko. Mr. Jazzy, yours na sister ko. 399 sis. 399. Aling red yung sa'yo, sister. Wait lang. Sister Jazzy, yours na mima ko. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Si red sister ko, yours na sister Isa ba yun? Wait lang. Thank you, sisi ko. Mima, ano yan? Sister Ems, yours na Mima ko, Sister Ems. Bayad muna Mima ko mensahe sa taas dyan kay admin ha, para mabawasan sister ko. Ems, yours na sister ko, 349. 349 Sister Ems, pa-SSD ako. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Sister Ems. Yung black, wait lang. Thank you, sis. CEO na mima ko, ha. Three in 1 Mima size medium, self-tie, top bottom. Medium, 499 COD, 380 bayad muna. May ng black. May ng black. Size medium. Ito na yung iba pang rare Mima. Flex ko na yung iba pang rare. Okay, Mima, go na CO nami. Pwede na mag-CO, pang i-plus 1. Yung 1 nyo, mga Mima, size nyo rin yan, ha? Mi, 3 in 1 na rare. Size natin dito, large. Self-tie top bottom, 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. May ng blue, may na ko na ang blue. May ng blue. Sige, sisi ko. Pinsahin na lang kay admin. Extra small Mima Batube. Nasa self-tie sa likod. Size extra small Mima, ha. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. May ng tube. May na ko ng tube. Size extra small. May na ko ng tube. Sige, Mima, mensahe ka na lang kay admin, Sister Ems. Next yung mga Mima. Self-tie top bottom mga Mima size medium. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. Mine green. Mine ako na ang green. Size medium. Self-tie top Mima size extra small. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. Mine linya. Mine ako na ang linya. 3 in 1 na polka mga sister. Ay, polka na cherry. Self-tie top bottom, cover for short, size extra small. 499 COD, 380 bayad muna. 9 cherry, pamain ako ng cherry, extra small. Min adjustable strap self-tie likod, size medium. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. 9 brown, pamain ng brown. May ng brown. Self-tie ang top, Mima. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. Mine ako ng polka, Mima. Dalawa available natin. Extra small, pa mine ng polka. Next, Mima ko. Self-tie, top, bottom, size small. Size small, mga Mima. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. Mine maroon. Yes, Mima ko. Small, medium, large available kay Leopard. Mine maroon, Mima. Size small. Let me know size mo kay... Huh? Yung na-mine mo ba yan, Jazz? Just another one. Eto. Leopard 349 COD 296 bayad muna. Yun na mine mo yan. 399cc. Yours na si Maroon sister ko. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Yours na sisi ko. Yours na si Maroon sis. 349. Pa-SSD ako, fam. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Your sister, fam. Yung extra small na black ba yan, sister ko? Yours na, sister. Yung extra small ba yan, sister ko? Or yung medium? Kasi yung extra small ba yan o medium? Dalawa kasi yung black ko na polka. Beachwear, mga Mima. Padress atake niyan. Self-tie halter. Medium to large, mga Mima. 349 COD, 296 bayad muna. Mine mo 1 na. Pa-mine ako na ang mo 1 na. Mima, ito. Size medium. Si Moana 349 COD 296 bayad muna. Mima medium sister ko, self-tie, top bottom, cover papalda. 499 COD 380 bayad muna. May ng black. Cherry, wait lang Mima. Extra small si Cherry, Mima. Cover hindi po. Cherry extra small, Mima. Pa-flex po ulit. Nung alin yan sister ko? Nung alin yan, sister, nung pa-flex po ulit. Mima, self-tie. Ang top nito, mga Mima. 3-in-1. Self-tie top, Mima ko. Medium, Mima, polka.